Great Smoky National Park, here we go.
Yay!
Number 3. Alright guys, we're gonna film this intro before we get too winded, because we're already like 40 feet up from the parking lot.
Steep. So we are going to Spruce Flat Falls.
Yep. This is our first trail in the Smoky Mountains. Got the National Park hat on. Thought we'd give a little intro to the today. Smoky Mountains, part number 1, headed to the falls. We just keep going up, up, and up.
Falls are here.
Yeah. Oh, I think so. Sneak peek.
Oh man.
I was kind of concerned that the falls just meant these ripples going down, but pleasantly surprised.
Wow.
And if you watch our Minnesota series, you know we are quite the waterfall connoisseurs.
Sure are. Oh wow.
That hurt. Fall.
So guys, we just found some elk on our adventure to one of the trails we were headed to.
Right over there we got 4.
Looks like 4 females, or...
They're not gonna have antlers right now.
Oh, okay.
Based off the color, I think they're cows.
I mean, they are sitting right off of...
We just came around this turn and
just
dumped it right into this pullover.
Yeah, that is crazy. There's 4 of them just laying right there. Alright, where are we?
I'm in Flavortown with this freaking Jolly Rancho. We are at...
Oh, this is cute. Sorry.
We just
showing water. Okay, go ahead.
We just drove through Cherokee, North Carolina. We're doing the Teep Creek and Indian Falls Trail right now. Is that the sign?
That's the Deep Creek Trail sign.
Oh. But yeah. Saw elk, as you saw. This is our second hike of the day. 2 out of 3 for the whole park because we're gonna do one long one tomorrow. We're gonna do Alum Cave Trail.
We're like a mile or so out from the top of Mount LeCun.
We stopped at a visitor center. We're gonna check out one of the mills, I think, on the way back. But let's go see another waterfall.
I'm on video. Silly.
This is Indian Creek Falls, North Carolina. Look, if I was driving my Avalanche down here, they'd think I was an OG.
Okay, so this is the road we're on.
Hold on.
Oh God. Okay, alright.
Don't worry, we're going out to the highway.
We're next to a river, and this, in 1 mile, is supposed to come out to a highway.
Yes.
But we are on... Oh my God, careful. What do you have to say?
I'm hungry.
Yeah, we're hungry.
We're
We have Chinese food waiting.
Japanese,
my bad. My bad. I didn't mean it.
Ah!
Car. We lived. It's okay, the car got by.
Oh, are you recording that?
Well, I recorded and then when we went, I stopped it. We're okay. There's just another car coming. Look, there's geese. They never leave us. They never leave us alone.
Nice and slow. I am not even any gas. We're clutch only.
Oh
my God. How does GPS recommend this?
We're on this for 0.9 miles.
How is this a real road?
Yeah, we're off-roading. Oh my God. Jesus Christ.
Oh, dude, this fucking car is going everywhere.
This car's fucking...
Ah!
Oh God.
Don't worry, I have a scrape guard.
Yes, we learned we have a scrape guard. It's fine.
Yeah, that's what the tow truck driver told us yesterday. That's a cool shot.
Yeah.
This is pretty.
We're right next to a river. I would hate to be this road when it floods.
Right, it's raining.
Yeah, you're right. Are we going back to a kind of stable road?
I don't know, we're only halfway.
Oh, Jesus. Oh. There's a car in the bank.
Jesus had nothing to do with this. Maybe that, though.
This could be from Helene.
Probably.
There's cars. There's 2 of them on top of each other in the bank. Well, this is Mingo Falls.
Mingo Falls.
It's very steep.
Very steep. Want to look? I don't know if
Barely.
But you can tell by how short,
It's very vertical.
short my strides are.
We're trying to go eat by the falls.
Look at that.
Look at that thing. Isn't that so cool?
That's Mingo Falls in North Carolina.
We're recording, I think.
As you can see, we have the American elk. I have to figure out what kind of subspecies this is.
Here is our elk friend. Oh my god, he's gonna come up here.
Alright guys, day number 1 in the Smokies, because we did Tennessee and North Carolina today.
Yeah.
Pretty much spent majority of the time in both. So
Driving.
Majority of the time was
Turns.
driving. We survived the Dragon,
Yeah.
which I'll have to look up and see why that's significant. I don't know if it's like the most curvy road in the world or something. Can't
It's
be. Maybe in the country.
Something.
It's literally zoo, 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 zoo,
Yeah.
zoo, zoo. Saw 2 deer.
Very close up.
Yeah, saw that elk. That wasn't in the park. That was really cool. Coming behind the car. 4 elk out in the park itself, and squirrels. And any other animals? Elk, deer, squirrels.
Turkey.
Oh, and
We saw the turkey, a bunch of them.
Big flock of turkey. So we got a fire going. An incredible view.
Last night here.
Last night here at this place, we're going to do the Alum Cave Trail tomorrow, and then go to, I believe we're staying in Gatlinburg. So
I believe we are too.
that reminds me I have to buy a ticket for something that I completely forgot, and I hope they're not sold out yet. But we are relaxing with some spiked
Dunkin' Donuts.
Donuts.
They're interesting.
They're not good. This is our first vlog, full day vlog with this camera.
New camera.
Canon M50.
I think we're starting to get things figured out now.
You definitely are. You're turning into a freaking photographer and all kinds of stuff right away. Thanks for coming along with us for day 1 in Tennessee / North Carolina. But make sure to tune into the rest of the episodes. Have a great night, and we'll see you later.
Later, guys.
See ya. Day number 1 complete.